In my last video, how to create a simple web page or HTML web page using Notepad, we discussed this code. Now, in the next step, we're going to add a little bit of content. Remember, I use the word content to talk about text and pictures, which is all we are supposed to do with HTML. HTML handles our content, and if we want to make anything look pretty, we need to use CSS, also called a cascading style sheet. Let's move on. Down here in the body, we are going to add a headline. Headlines come in different sizes, but they're all an H1, an H2, an H3, or an H4 tag. There might be a couple extra ones on there, H5 and H6 if I remember correctly. So an H1 tag, I'm going to write hello world, just sort of the standard greeting. All right, let's see what this does. I'm going to go to File, Save As. Comes up as test already for me. I'm going to do the HTML and click down to the Save As type, all file types. Click Save. Ask me if I want to replace. I sure do. Once I do it, I can't go back though. Say yes. And then if I have my second window open or I reopen that HTML file, hit the refresh button, and it worked. Now we get a nice, bold, big text. Now for some reason, if you lost your code, remember, in Google Chrome, you can always go back by hovering your cursor down in some white space, right-clicking, and clicking View Page Source, or Control U. And it shows us our code, which is a super nice feature of Chrome. Okay, let's add another piece. If I want just some paragraph text to talk about what I'm doing, this creates paragraph text. Paragraph text has a space above and below. Should have said a white space or open space below the tag. And again, paragraph tag was the P tag. Need to make sure I close it just like I close my H1 tag. So bracket, front slash, and then whatever code you're using in your next bracket. Let's save that. Again, File, Save As, test.html, save as file type, all file types, save and replace, yes I do. Go back over here to my browser window, and there's some paragraph text. Nice and easy. All right. Next video coming up, I'm going to talk about creating an image where things get a little more difficult. Remember, this is easy. You can do it. Have fun.